Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. I am coming live for business study. Join me at 12 noon from Monday to Friday, and for HR and BCom 4th semester you can join me at 2 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, if you are a new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy the classes. This video is about the notification which we all are eagerly waiting regarding the SOP of open book examination. Guwahati University, though they have said that they will conduct the exam under open book mechanism, but what will be the standard procedure? For those we are eagerly waiting. Today 24/5/2021 they have released the guidelines, so every student watch the video with immense interest and try to understand the points which we shall discuss in this video. So let's begin. The point number 1 said that all answers should be written by the examinee in A4 size. Okay, all of you have to write your answer sheet in A4 size. Already in my previous video I have said that you should write the answer sheet in A4 size paper, so get ready with your A4 size paper. Some model answer sheet also university has given, you all can use it for the purpose. Second thing is you must contain page number, page 1, page 2, like this. Don't forget to give your page mark. Okay, the third one is you have to convert these pages into PDF format, but it size should not more than 5 MB. Within 5 MB size you have to make your PDF file. Page number may be 10 or less or more, but the size of the total A4 size should be not more than 5 MB size. This is important things you all need to know. Okay, next point is about the same thing what we have said, that GU is also given certain recommended app. Student can use the similar app for this purpose of conversion of size of PDF. Okay, next point number 6 is important. All of you look with immense serious. The question paper will be available for downloading 30 minutes before the beginning of the examination. For example, suppose exam will start from 9. Now you can download the question paper at 8:30. Okay, on the web portal question paper will be available. Okay, you can download it and from 9 your time will get started. Next point number 7 is student will able to upload the PDF copy of answer sheet after 30 minutes from the time of commencement of exam, and upload facility will be available until 1 hour after the end of the examination. Means what they have said, that suppose the exam started from 9. Okay, you have written the answer, they will open the uploading portal. Okay, you all can upload your answer sheet after 30 minutes of your start of the examination. Suppose at 9 the exam is started, from 9:30 if you within half an hour suppose you have completed the paper, from 9:30 you can upload your answer sheet. I don't think in half an hour it is possible to write all the answers. Okay, but they have given the facility, and this will continue extended 1 hour. Okay, it has completed at 12, 9 to 12 examination time. They will extend 1 hour, means till 1 p.m. you can upload your answer sheet. After 1 p.m. the portal of uploading your answer sheet will close down. Means what, from 9:30 you can upload your answers till 1 p.m. Remember the thing, if the examination time is 9 to 12. Okay, if they give other time then that is different thing, but we have taken a standard time of 9 to 12. Okay, if your exam start at 9, you can upload your answer sheet from 9:30 till 1 p.m. and you can download your question paper from 8:30 in the morning. Okay, this is important thing. Next, point number 8 is once student upload a document, he cannot do it again. If you have uploaded your document, again you cannot upload. Suppose you have uploaded and you have found that one answer is not correct, or serial number is not correct. You cannot do that. Okay? Or recheck the size of the document before. All of you recheck. Do not exceed 5 MB. That is very important. Yes, that your answer sheet PDF file should not exceed 5 MB. That you need to give importance. Students are strongly advised this procedure of scanning and conversion using any document available at hand. So you have to make practice of downloading or conversing or scanning from the normal page, normal photographs to PDF. Those things you need to do practice before the exam. Okay, these days you make a practice, write something. Okay, take a snap, convert it into PDF. Okay, upload it. Okay, in this way you make a practice. That is advice from Guwahati University. Okay, point number 9 is what? In order to take the examination, student will require to log into the examination portal. Student need to give correct registration number, mobile number, date of birth. Hence, while the time of login, your valid registration number, phone number valid, okay, appropriate date of number you should give. Okay, it should not be vary with time. Aji eta beleg date of birth, kali eta beleg date of birth. You should not do those kind of things. Okay, next point number 10 is since it is open book exam conducted in the online mode, they will able to take the help of textbook, note, etc. As we know, open book we can use books, note, copies. Yes, the study material we can use. There is no bar or restriction of using any document. Okay, next point is what? Total marks of each paper will be 70% of the total theory mark. Total mark of each paper will 70% of the total theory mark. Suppose 100 marks question came, you have to appear 70% of it. If 80 marks came, you have to calculate it 70% of your 80 marks. Then you have to give the exam as per the respective questions on the question paper. Point number 12 is also important. There will be no offline submission of any answer sheet anywhere. Okay, last year what happened? Last year also open book they conducted. Yes, but there is a provision of offline submission. Student can go to the college premises and can submit. This time that is completely restricted. You must have to upload your answer sheet on the valid GU web portal. Okay, there is no other offline system of submission of answer sheet. Next, point number 13 is students are informed to ensure the connectivity use of proper gadget. Okay, informed means what gadget you will use. Connected means proper place you have to sit, having internet facilities. You are sitting in a place where there is no internet. Previously you have to make preparation. Okay, you have to select the place where you will go, where you will find the internet, in which room or which place or which premises. You have to select previously. Only you get ready. During the time you cannot say net nahi tha, what we can say internet slow tha. This kind of question will not be valid. And university regarding practical examination, they will again notified on the later part. Right now they have only given about the offline examination. Okay, online examination. Regarding practical exam, no such notification is given. They will give in the coming time. Okay, this is a bit about the SOP of upcoming examination. Okay, hope student has got some idea. In coming time, if you have any doubts, you can put up your question. If required, I shall come live and hear your problems and try to give your solution. Thank you for today.